activity. To apply the clone stamp tool to erase an object and then recreate an additional copy of it. Select the clone stamp tool first. In the options bar, select the brush size as 20. Make sure that the opacity and flow are 100%. Position the pointer over the sample pixels which you want to pick to stamp over an area. Hold down the Alt key, and when the mouse changes its shape to this, click to select the sample pixels from that place. Be careful to pick only those sample pixels which closely resemble the pixels you want to stamp out. Bring the pointer where you want to stamp the sample pixels and start dragging the mouse over the area to stamp the sample. Repeat the steps 3, 4 until you finish stamping the required area.